If you want to know the difference between skincare and a makeup prep, go ahead and keep watching. I know. People are probably sick and tired of me talking about skin and skincare. I'm never going to stop talking about it. It's my favorite thing to talk about. If you want to know how I achieved this look, if you want to know the difference between skincare and a makeup prep, go ahead and keep watching. Just go ahead and keep watching because I'm breaking it down in this video for y'all, okay? Don't forget to get y'all notebooks out. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let's get into this video. It's been a minute, y'all, since I've actually sat down and like talked to y'all and just really just caught up and chilled. But I mean, there is a purpose to this video, so I don't know. Like, should y'all get y'all notebooks out? Are we going back to the notebooks? Let's go back to the notebooks. Get y'all notebooks out. As I'm getting myself together here, we're gonna start with some brows. Don't come for my brows. They need to be groomed. They need to be done. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. Y'all already know I'm going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5, of course. I'm a very brand loyal person, especially for certain products. Like if they work, they work, and Benefit just works. What's the difference between skincare and skin prep? Do you know the difference? Put at the top of your page, skin prep, skincare. Two different categories, underline them both, okay? Class is in session. Let me get my notes up. Skincare is about your skin's health over time. Skincare is what you do in the morning, at night, consistently, like an everyday thing. Y'all already know, and I'm going in with my most loved product, MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct Palette. I'm scraping. You see what happened when your brows ain't done? Then you gotta really just work really hard to cover up all the little hairs. I don't know about anybody else, but like, this is just a side note. Is Q2 like whooping anybody else's butt, or is it just me? I would like to know, because I have my notes here. So it says the purpose of your skincare is to treat, protect, and improve your skin. Okay. Examples of that are your cleanser, your toner, your serums like the vitamin C, the hyaluronic acid, the niacinamide serum. That's really what helps with acne, dryness, oil control, texture, dark spots. That is your skin care. Okay, so your skincare is really the overall health of your skin. Your makeup prep is something totally different, and I'm glad we're jumping into this because I tried to make this video last week. It didn't work. My video last week, if y'all was tuning in, if y'all tuned in, I am so grateful to all of my subscribers, and shout out to everybody who subscribed because we are at 101 subscribers. What's up, y'all? Welcome. Come on over. We're a little crazy over here, but it's okay. Like, we just chilling. Big chilling, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into this makeup prep and let me explain it to y'all because I actually just figured out skin is supposed to feel before you put your makeup on, and also how your skin is supposed to look before you put your makeup on. Just cracked the code in 2026. Okay, so come on. So what is makeup prep? Makeup prep is what you do right before your makeup. What is the purpose of makeup prep? Let's look at my notes. I hope you're writing this down because we in 2027, I don't want to be making another video about, oh my God, makeup prep skincare. No, we're not doing that. No. So the purpose of your makeup prep is to make your makeup go on smoother, last longer, and look better. Okay? If you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, if you have dry skin, if you have normal skin, if you have sensitive skin, talk to your dermatologist, esthetician, PCP. Danessa Myricks Beauty, she got you. Coming from a girl who has combination skin, and I'm starting to realize, you remember how it was like, oh, I have combination oily skin. I have combination dry skin. I'm starting to get really dry, and I don't know why, because my scalp gets really dry as well. I have to use certain products on my scalp to make sure I don't have like the dry flake. I don't know why I was like, oh, I'm oily, and my makeup was looking butt cracked, baked up, not looking right. Not sitting right throughout the day. I would have like creasing and things of that nature, and just really dry, okay, patchy. These products right here are gonna get you together, okay? Y'all know I need me a little water break, and I love my Stanley Cup. It keeps my ice cold. Like, it keeps my ice in here for like 2 days, bro. 2 days. Quenches my thirst. These two, the serum and this barrier boost, It is actually so moisturizing. It's so creamy and it blends right down into your skin and it gives it a nice plumpy feeling. I love to especially put this under my eyes because I just feel like it plumps it up and it moisturizes it so well. I might have to get the full size of this, and I'm probably gonna have to get the full size of that serum, that glow serum, y'all. Vanessa Myers. So I have my notes over here. Okay, so listen. Barrier cream, it says, is powered by 10 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to replenish skin with deep hydration, both instantly and over time, while Ectoin protects, strengthens, and nourishes the skin's moisture barrier. So y'all, this has lots of moisture in it, and it's gonna keep your skin moisturized, okay? Which you're gonna need in your makeup prep. You want your skin to be nice and moisturized and plumpy. You want your makeup to glide on you, okay? You hear this? You don't wanna hear that. That means if you hear this and your face is, you don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear nothing. Your makeup needs to glide on you. Needs to glide on you. Okay? So this right here is the Vanessa Myers Yummy Skin Glow Serum. It's a hydrating and priming face serum. Let's read what it does. It says, this ultra hydrating primer contains antioxidant-rich fruit extracts such as kiwi, dragon fruit, fig, and pomegranate to protect skin from environmental stressors. This serum oil hybrid provides long-lasting hydration for plump, dewy-looking skin. Need I say more? These two together is exactly what you're gonna need for your makeup. I don't care. You throw this in the mix and put this on your oily spots, y'all. Then, hold up. Then you add these and all of these together. Let me show you how I put these products on, when I put these products on. I'm going to let you know now, friend. If you follow my steps, if you follow these steps, your skin is, first of all, your skin for summer is about to look A1, okay? And I got all of these from the Prep and Prime kit. So I got the Vanessa Myers Beauty Prep and Prime kit. I got the matte, and I also got Radiant. Love the packaging here. Love this applicator tip. I was excited when I bought this, y'all. You already know. Look at that. My skin be mad dry, y'all. My skin. Oh, you guys see how that instantly just replenish my skin? Like, it was an instant type thing, you know. Now I feel like another step that people kind of skip in their prep and even their skin prep is the fact that you have to let these products kind of dry down. And that's why I did my brows first, because I needed it to be on a drier surface, of course. So I kind of want to let this product really melt into my skin. So I only have one of these. So I let that dry down for about a minute and a half. I only have one of these, so I use this very sparingly unless I'm actually going outside to do something, because this right here is gonna make my makeup last. So I really use this sparingly, especially if I'm doing like a YouTube video. Yeah, we gonna have to. You can't use too much. But I wanted to show you guys the steps that I use, the steps that I take to make my makeup look as good as it's been looking. Like, Vanessa really had her foot on the next. And visible difference. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm looking at the camera here. I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see how plumpy my skin is. Very plumpy, and it's ready. And I feel like when I do these steps, I don't really have any a lot of issues. You know what I'm saying? This is another step that I do for my oily girlies. This is the step that you're gonna want to do. I just put some on my nose because I get extremely oily in my nose. And I have another one of these, so When it's time to re-up, y'all already know I'm gonna be doing a video. These two right here, of course, these are needed. This is the Radiant Universal Balm Powder. And this is the original Universal Balm Powder. I use both. I use this on my nose and I'll use this everywhere else. I think I'm gonna skip it tonight just because it's nighttime and I just want to show y'all how the makeup's gonna look with everything. Okay, so let's just go in a little bit because my forehead be so dry. Do y'all foreheads be dry? If y'all foreheads be dry, put dry in the comments. My forehead be instantly dry, okay? Like instantly. So I'm gonna put some on my cheeks, of course. And this is also a blurring balm powder, so it's gonna blur out all of those pores that we have going on. Now that our makeup prep is done, these steps, it's gonna guarantee, it's a guaranteed your makeup's gonna last all day. That's just the first step to the makeup. We haven't even put on anything yet. I mean, we did our brows, but we haven't really done anything yet. Let's go in with our bronzer. You already know I'm going in with my Made by Mitchell curve case. For my birthday, my husband got me the, what are these brushes called? Whatever these brushes are called from Morphe. So I'm going in with Shade and Laid and Blend and Snatch. I'm using the M242 brush. It's for cream and liquid bronzers. Look at how that's shaped there. And we're just gonna go ahead and go in. And do you see how that just glides right onto my skin? The Danessa Myricks product kind of gives you that glowy look. So you can kind of see how it's really glowing in this area. I don't even go in with foundation too much. I was just like talking to my bestie the other day. And I was telling her like, I don't even really use foundation like that anymore. Like I really just start with my bronzer because my makeup prep, I've gotten it to the point where I'm just like, I don't even need any foundation. And I do have a foundation. I have the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder and I just got the shade 9.5. If y'all been following along, you know. I got that one and I got the full size. I don't know, guys. I think that like I've really perfected it like with Danessa Myricks products. I think I might get the skin tint just because I don't know. I really want to do the skin tint, but I want to wait. I don't know if y'all are crazy about makeup like I am. Okay, so let's talk about how crazy I am about makeup. You ready? I sit out in the sun. I sit out in the sun in the summer on purpose to get darker so that I can get a new foundation shade and new makeup. So yeah, yes, your girl is just a little bit crazy, just a little bit, but I do sit outside in the sun and I do get darker on purpose in the summertime so that I can get a new shade of foundation or new products. Yeah, I don't know if you guys do that, but I do that. I don't know if would this be considered underpainting? I think it would be considered underpainting, but when I tell you I've mastered it, I've mastered it. We're going in with our bronzer placements here on our forehead, on the cheeks, and then I do get the access on the jawline down here. This brush is so perfect. It makes it so easy for me to just apply my bronzer and blend it out in one swoop. I don't have to use multiple brushes. So Morphe, shout out to y'all. For my blush, you already know I'm going in, and this is what I'm saying. Next, I'm going in with blush, y'all. No foundation is on my face. I want to say maybe it's because I have good genes, which I do have good genes because my parents they have clear skin. So I have clear skin, and so do me and my siblings. I'm going in with Where's The, which is this orange shade here. Y'all know I need a little orange in my life. Ooh. Make it bronze, make it orange and bronze. Honestly, is giving, she's on vacation, she's in the Bahamas. She's bronzed. To conceal, I'm going in with my Hourglass Concealer in Umber Vanish and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And that is the shade Medium Deep 2 Caramel. Again, guys, I still have not put on any foundation. To blend out my concealer, I'm going in with my M133 concealer brush from Morphe. And we're just gonna pull that down here and conceal. And I feel like because of my makeup prep, everything blends out so perfectly, and I have no issues with the blend. Now, we might look a little crazy. It's all about the blend. You see how it's like not? Yeah, we gonna fix that, girl. It's okay. If y'all ever had an hourglass concealer, like, please let me know in the comments, because these concealers be mad thick. Them boys be thick, boy. I'm gonna go back in with my blush I'm gonna go back in with my blush just to get that line out of there and to make that look more natural. Oh, I got my blender. And we're gonna blend out all these harsh lines. Maybe. So now I am gonna go in with my Danessa Myricks Beauty blurring balm powder, and it's in the shade 9.5. So I am gonna be taking my Morphe M439 brush, and I'm gonna just blend that into the bottom. Skin, Danessa, skin. So that's kind of how I just blend everything out together. Skin. I'm gonna spray my face. Let all these creams and liquids mix together, and we'll be back for the finished look. I know y'all was waiting to see it. Look at when you do your makeup prep properly and you do your skincare properly in the proper steps. You use your skin prep and you get the right skin prep for your correct skin type. You're gonna do good in life. You're gonna do great. And if you ain't doing great, message me and we'll talk about it. It is literally almost summer, y'all, and we really need to get our makeup together before summer gets here, because it's gonna be sliding off. We can't do that sliding off stuff. We're not doing it this year, okay? Thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys who are subscribed to me, everyone who watches my videos, who likes my videos. We out here, okay? We out here. We out here. It makes me so excited. It keeps giving me the confidence to come out here and make videos for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go follow me on my Instagram at Raquel_Amaris and my TikTok at Raquel Amaris 6. We're becoming together. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.